In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the rear door handle on a Mercedes-Benz W210 facelift model. This is a very simple job that you can do yourself with just a few basic tools, and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. The first thing you need to do is locate the retaining bolt on the side of the door. This bolt is responsible for holding the rear section of the door handle in place. To remove it, you'll need a suitable tool with the correct size bit. Make sure you choose the proper size to avoid damaging the bolt. Once you've selected the right tool, carefully loosen and remove the retaining bolt completely. Take your time during this step and keep the bolt in a safe place so it doesn't get lost. Next, I highly recommend using plastic trim removal tools. These tools help prevent scratches and damage to the paintwork while removing the handle. Avoid using metal tools whenever possible, as they can easily leave marks on the door. Now, we can start removing the rear section of the door handle. Insert the plastic trim tool behind the rear cover and gently pull it outward. In some cases, this piece may be stuck quite firmly, especially on older vehicles, so don't force it too aggressively. Just work slowly and carefully until it comes free. After removing the rear cover, the main door handle can now be released. Pull the handle slightly toward yourself and then slide it out of its mounting position. Once it's disengaged from the locking mechanism, the handle will come out easily. And that's it. As you can see, removing the rear door handle on a Mercedes-Benz W210 facelift is a quick and straightforward procedure that doesn't require any special equipment. I hope this video was helpful and made the job easier for you. If it did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.